Are issues with the pipes and plumbing the landlord's responsibility? A Q&A with FreeAdvice.com. As a renter, dealing with unexpected plumbing problems can be frustrating. But who is actually responsible for fixing these issues? Are landlords solely accountable? Or is it a shared responsibility between landlords and tenants? Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the age-old question, are issues with pipes and plumbing the landlord's responsibility? We're diving deep into the legalities, standard practices, and ways to handle these situations. So please sit back, grab a notebook, and stay tuned as we dive into the ins and outs of landlords and tenants' responsibilities regarding plumbing. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you find yourself in a situation where you believe your landlord is responsible for damages caused by pipes that weren't appropriately maintained, you should find a lawyer who can help. Visit FreeAdvice.com and use our search box to find the best lawyer in your area to help you navigate these tricky legal situations. Also, on our site, you will find helpful advice and guides on common legal matters like these. And our attorney search directory is 100% free for you to use. Alright, it's time to dive into the common maintenance problems that happen with rentals and the legal responsibilities that fall on the landlords. Question number 1. What is the landlord responsible for? Laws regulating the relationship between landlords and tenants have been established to outline the rights, responsibilities, and obligations. Although the specific regulations may vary from state to state, there are specific standard requirements that all landlords must fulfill. A landlord's obligation involves ensuring the upkeep of the rental property. This includes maintaining the premises in a clean, safe, livable condition, adhering to applicable building codes, promptly addressing necessary repairs, and ensuring that essential utilities like plumbing, electricity, and heating are all functioning correctly. The landlord is also responsible for providing suitable waste disposal facilities and ensuring a continuous water supply. Now, to answer the question at hand, as long as the cause of the plumbing issue is not the tenant's fault, it is the landlord's responsibility to address and fix the problem within a reasonable period. If the landlord neglects to do so, the tenant may exercise their rights according to the terms of their lease agreement and applicable state regulations. So if you're a tenant living in a rental property with inadequate plumbing that your landlord refuses to repair, don't panic. Instead, take a deep breath and reach for your lease. An attorney experienced in landlord-tenant issues can help you understand your rights and determine the best action. In some states, you may have the right to withhold rent for repairs and deduct the costs from your rental payments. However, every state has different laws, so it's essential to get expert advice before making any moves that could lead to eviction for failure to pay rent. You can unlock the power of hassle-free rental solutions with us at FreeAdvice.com. Our exclusive free search tool will help you find the best landlord or tenant attorneys in your area. No more lengthy phone calls or waiting for days to get the help you need. Take the first step toward resolving your rental issues with FreeAdvice.com. And here's the tip you should know when it comes to rental disputes. The law looks to the lease itself. You enter into a contract with your landlord when you sign a lease agreement. And if that contract isn't being upheld, if the premises you're paying for isn't in the agreed-upon condition, that's a violation of the lease. So, what can you do about it? The good news is that you can enforce the lease against your landlord as a tenant. Additionally, the implied warranty of habitability ensures that your rental unit is fit for living, including functioning plumbing. Hence, major plumbing issues pose a threat to your health and safety. The landlord must fix items such as mold. If not, you may hold your rent in escrow until the necessary repairs are made. What happens when there's a leak and your prized possessions are at risk? If your landlord failed to keep the plumbing in check, they could be held legally responsible for any damages caused by their negligence. If you repeatedly bring the leak to your landlord's attention and it's constantly ignored, that could help establish a pattern of negligence on their part. If the landlord doesn't uphold their duty to keep the plumbing in good working order, they may have to foot the bill for property damage or a skyrocketing water bill. But remember, as a tenant, it's important to act responsibly too. This means taking measures to reduce the damage, like moving your things out of harm's way and promptly reporting the issue. Of course, sometimes leaks occur due to unforeseen circumstances or even by accident. If the damage wasn't caused by the landlord's actions or lack thereof, and they did everything reasonably expected, they may not be held responsible for property damage or a higher water bill. So let's remember tenants also have a role to play in maintaining the rental property. Question number 2. What are the tenants responsible for? Any water damage caused by the tenant's actions, such as neglect or failing to report a water issue in a timely manner, is the tenant's responsibility. This includes damage from winter temperatures, blockages in sewage pipes, or other problems caused by the tenant's behavior. In the case of a water problem, such as a leak, the tenant must take steps to remove their personal belongings from harm's way and inform the landlord promptly. If the tenant fails to do this and the items are damaged, the landlord is only responsible for fixing the property damage, not the tenant's belongings. Tenants must be proactive, like shutting off valves to stop a leak, and inform the landlord immediately if they detect any water damage. The bottom line here is that the answer to the question, are issues with the pipes and plumbing the landlord's responsibility, depends on the circumstances. If the landlord fails to maintain the plumbing and causes the issue, they may be liable for damages and losses. On the other hand, if the landlord's actions did not cause the problem, they may not be held responsible. It's also important to note that the landlord and tenant's responsibility regarding plumbing issues can vary greatly depending on the state's legal decisions. In some states, the landlord is held responsible for repairing the pipes, but not necessarily for the damages caused by their negligence. So remember, as a tenant, it's important to act responsibly and to report any issues to your landlord promptly. Doing so will help protect both parties in the long run. The landlord and the tenant must act responsibly and fulfill their obligations to ensure a smooth and beneficial tenancy agreement. With that, thank you so much for watching. If you need legal advice, head to our website, FreeAdvice.com. On our site, there's a search bar where you can enter your zip code, and within minutes, you will have a list of the top lawyers who can assist you during these difficult times. It's completely free to use. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you would give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.